going to adventure. Wow, it is. I want to get that one because I think that's heavy. Little crabs here. Hi. Oh, I almost hit my head on that. It's a beautiful day and look at that, kermit crabs. So it's low tide right now. So, look. Get some look at the boat. Treasure. That would be fun. Yeah. Ooh, what the heck is that? Oh, it's like a dead animals or some sort. Have to have a stick just in case. Hiking while slow tide. Cut up logs in here. It's not too heavy. I can bring him home and put some, let the orchids grow in it. It's nice the one that's been in the water. Look how beautiful this is, guys. I need to bring a metal detector next time. You know? Wonder if there's gator laying around in here. See, the tide is coming slowly. So I still have time to go back all the way. Wow. Some good wood right there. So when it goes high tide, the water goes all the way right there. It's not bad. So I used to kayak all the way here before. Well, gonna kayak again since the weather is nice. Look at these big rocks. Whoa. Oh, maybe this one. That's been in the water. water for a while. Oysters got in it. There's somebody did walk over here. You can see the footprints. So next time I'm gonna show you where to go kayaking. Oh, it's a fun experience. Whoa, look at that. Bring some metal detector next time. Maybe I can find some treasure while walking. What do you think, guys? If you wanna see specific place in the island where I live, just comments below and let me know, and I'll take you there. We'll go adventure together. Look, somebody walked over here earlier. Oh, this would be good. For Ladies Island, across the street or across the water. Sorry guys, I moved the camera too much. Whoa, look at this. Look at it, guys. Some big stones in here. So when I used to kayak before, there is gators right there, and he was swimming along the way with right there. So yes, there is a gator in the first salt water. Oh, looks like things. Oh, look at that. Somebody's been here. Let's see what they're doing in here. Oh, look at that. They're in love. Good for them. Still here too. Wow. So they're writing. Where is that series? Is it old or new? Let me see if I can tell. Oh, it's new. So this is probably the guys was here earlier before me. They're writing this. See? No. This one is old. See, as you can tell. That's kind of new. There's a cave. Oh, can't believe they went here too far. I thought I'm the only one went here this far. They even have some in the stone. Jamie. Hopefully. Wow. Look at that. Wow, this is so interesting in here, guys. I would like to take a selfie in here. Wow. This is the other side of the island. Let's see. What else do you have over there? Wow. Very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna put my camera on. I'm gonna attach it to the tree and see if you guys can see me. Let me see how this. I have this holder that you can hold. Okay, let's see. I'm right here. Hello. Guys, can't believe I've been walking in there for 12 minutes. So I stopped with these big trees. So next time we go all the way to the bridge, okay? Gotta go back. My partner is looking for me. He's over there calling. Don't know if you can see it. It's all the way over there. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy my little adventure. And I will see you my next adventure. Hopefully you can go with me. And let me know what you think. And please follow and subscribe. And share, of course. Sa atong mga kababayan. Daghang salamat. Thank you. And have a great day. Mga angels ko. Thank you. Thank you. Let's get this one before I end the video. How beautiful this is. Let me do it in a slow-mo. Oh, you hear Pape over there calling? Okay, guys. Thank you and have a blessed day. I will see you in the next video, okay?